个帮里的话，一个，哦妈，太危险。
53 for Friday. News Radio 1250 and 1055. WTL now joins us. Already in progress.
Oh my God! And that guy's gonna run off.
Miami Classics live. Miami Monday.
Seafood with that rage elemental chasing them is surely an entertaining sight, especially when Carl tosses the boom at it before he closes the door.
The show paused, showing the recipe.
Oh my God. You can't do that. You almost hit him.
Kyle, say I have this. Why you think that? Thought you were not going to start this. We've been keeping cards all day, especially Sunday. What's wrong with him?
With their foolishness to die because leaves they drop off from a confounded vine? I have not heard of such a thing.
Mother. This dumb motherfucker, what are you doing?
I'm driving a Tesla Model Y here. It's on full self-driving mode, also known as FSD, so everything's being recorded for multiple vehicles. There's a car head slowing near the light, but it's still green, so traffic is moving normally. As I go through the intersection, the light turns yellow. I maintain speed and continue through. Nothing unusual. Now watch the officer behind me. He goes through the same light and then accelerates to catch up. There's no speeding here, and I'm maintaining a normal following distance. The officer signals for me to pull over, so I do. He comes up and says I was speeding and following too closely. He's yelling at me here. I told him to stop yelling because I had my toddler in the back and I was just taking my kid to daycare. My lawyer showed this footage to the prosecutor and the case was dismissed right away.
mixing it up. Now Jazz is left with the side to run the most like a golf.
What is going on here? What are you doing? What? I was going the wrong way.
Our officer observes this, gives pursuit. The car crashes here. Fortunately, the person in the truck here was not injured. After crashing, the driver of the black Chrysler, which was stolen, gets into that SUV and they drive off. And we're about to terminate the chase once it got to 394, and before terminating the chase, the car spins out and crashes. They get out, they run. One of them ran into a pond and tried to go swimming. And when they got out, they didn't want to listen. So we released the canine. Canine got him. The second person, he ran too and he tried to hide. He didn't want to listen to commands, and the canine got him too.